I did my survey through Google Forms, and it's stored within my Google Drive. So you click on the survey link right here, and it takes you to my database here, and it shows me my questions I've created, the five, the were you alive on September 11th? Do you remember it? Do Americans think that Islamic faith is radical and seen as terrorists? Are you proud to be an American citizen? And how patriotic are you? So then you can go up to here and you can click send, and then you can type in a person's email and share this with them. And then once they respond, the responses come up here to the responses section, and you click here, and then you can see all the results of the individuals. So everyone that I interviewed was alive on September 11th, and they all do not really physically remember witnessing it. And then shows the other results with either in a bar graph or a pie graph. So yeah.